Oh, come on. Oh, let's forget the charger.
A few moments later.
Why do I always forget to grab the I know I put it there. What the? Oscar! Howdy, Sunny Sheriff here. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video. So, just to let you know, I did open the box, but it was because it was so hard that I wanted to make sure.
2 seconds later.
That I had all the box, the plastic, and so on open before I did the review. So, here it is. And you can probably see why I wanted to open it first. Bubble wrap. Those things. Kind of cool. So, you can see it is a Samsung Watch 4. Now, this does not have any extra things with it, and it does not have a band or strap or whatever you want to call it. The thing that makes it so you can is for sure been used before. So, like I said, this does not have the band to connect it, and it does not have a charger. But what are my first thoughts? And I'm trying to keep myself within the frame here. Well, first thought is this is the biggest watch I've ever bought myself. But excuse me, I bought this for about $30. So, not bad. So, I will do a new video when I have a strap band, a charger, so on. So keep watching for that video, and I will see you soon, and happy trails.